Maybe you think of the Forbidden City, or the Great Wall of China. For most people, it is no secret that Beijing beholds some of China's most amazing history, but have you ever wondered about the life of the locals? Many people living here have migrated from small villages or their hometown in search for a better life. Beijing can be the escape people are looking for, and it offers more job opportunities than you would find in a smaller city. But at what cost? For most people, life in a big city can be stressful, and this may mean working really long hours with low pay just to cover the cost of living. This is the reality and downside of living in such a large city, but it's not all bad. So what things do people like to do to help relieve this pent-up stress? All throughout the city, you will find everyone doing some form of exercise. Whether it's the businessman or woman actively working out in the gym, the IE square dancing in the street, or the shoo-shoos taking a leisurely walk through the park, the people of Beijing always find something to do. Aside from this, many people even have a side hustle. They will display their crafts or vegetables on the side of the street for passerbys to have a look. If you don't have your own car or motorbike, you might think that transportation is a big problem, but actually, getting around the city is more convenient than ever. Beijing has an amazing subway system that takes you anywhere you need to go in less than an hour. And you can always find shared bikes available for use too. These bikes only cost 1.5 yuan for every 30 minutes, so it's also extremely affordable. In my opinion, the best time to go is during autumn, when the atmosphere is exploding with vibrant golden foliage, and the temperatures drop to about 20 degrees Celsius. This makes it the perfect season to get out and explore to see places like Fragrant Hills or the Temple of Heaven. It doesn't really matter if you're a big city person or a mountain lover, Beijing has a place for you.
Oh shit.
There are many parks in the city where you can find an empty spot and enjoy a picnic with friends, visit the pandas at the zoo, jump into a game of Jianzi at Guizhou, meet others for an afternoon swim at Beijing, take your family out for an evening pedal boat ride along the lake at Guizhou, participate in a drum circle, create street art for the tourists, or small plots of forest in Mian to just let your dogs run free. And if that still doesn't satisfy you, the rolling mountains are just a 1-hour drive away. So many bugs on my face. think tomorrow definitely will have fog tomorrow morning. It's gonna be so nice. Alright, update here. We are on the Great Wall in our tent, and as you can see, it's blowing literally all over the place because it is storming and there's a lot of wind and a lot of rain, and I'm wet and my sleeping bag is soaked. This is just fantastic.